Okay, we have question 119. I don't want the black. Let me just take this color. Okay, the question says 100-watt lamp connected to the 30-volt main is replaced by a lamp which has twice the resistance. Now, the question is, the power of the new lamp is. Okay? So, I repeat and we put the information. So, they say 100-watt lamp. It means I have a first lamp with a power. Of course, watt is the unit of power. It is 100 watt. It is connected to the 30-volt main. This is the potential difference, which is 30 volt. They say it is replaced by a lamp with twice, or which has twice the resistance, which means the resistance of the second lamp is twice the resistance of the first one. The question is, what is the power of the new lamp? They need P2. Okay? I guess it's clear. Okay, let me use this. Good. Now, first of all, I need to know how much is each resistance, R1 and R2. Okay, I'm going to use the information that I have. Of course, I have the formula P power equals to potential difference squared over resistance. So, the P1 equals to V squared over R1. Okay, I have the P1, I have the V, so I can find R1 is going to be V squared over P1. Okay, which is going to be here R1. Okay, let me go up a little bit. Okay, equals to 30 squared over 100. Okay, is going to be 900 over 100, which means R1 equals to 9 ohm. Okay, this is R1. So I use this formula to find R2. Okay, so R2 is actually 2 multiple 9, which is 18 ohm. Right? It is 18 ohm. Now, they are asking me about the power of the second resistance. I need P2, which equals V squared by R2. Notice here that I don't label V1, V2 because it's the same potential difference source. It's the same source. They called it the main. They called it 30 volt main, so it doesn't change. Okay, so it's going to be 30 squared over 18 P2. Okay, when you calculate this, we get 50 watt. Okay, this is the power of the second or the new lamp. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. I hope it's clear. If you have any question or comment, leave it under the video. See you. Bye bye.